Wow, Shark's family! Hi, my artists! How are you today? We are going to draw and color a shark family. Are you ready? Let's grab our black crayon and start drawing the baby shark first. That's right! We are starting with the baby shark. Cute and little baby shark. Two big round eyes. Then the mommy shark with her big eyes and cute eyelashes. After mommy shark, let's draw the daddy shark. Now, let's draw our sweet grandma shark with her funny glasses. And finally, let's draw Grandpa Shark. Grandma and Grandpa Shark don't have any teeth, so that's why there are wrinkles around their mouth. Let's make the lines darker and thicker. That's it. It's coloring time. Let's start with the baby shark. What color should we use? That's right, yellow. Let's color it yellow. Great. Look here, the daddy shark. What color should we use? Blue, great! The daddy shark is blue, with sharp teeth. Now, let's color the mommy shark pink. Yes, yes, pink. Our baby shark is yellow, daddy shark is blue, and mommy shark is pink. That's right. Now, let's color Grandma Shark. Our sweet glasses-wearing grandma. Let's color her orange. Yes, orange is perfect. And finally, let's color Grandpa Shark green. Yes, that's right. Green. Well done. Now we need some bubbles because sharks are in the water, kids. And finally, let's add some shadows to our beautiful painting. We are almost done. Yes, we did it. To see more drawing and coloring videos, be sure to subscribe to our channel. See you later. Bye.